Go.
This tutorial will show you how to construct a scatter plot and regression equation with the calculator. Although there is another tutorial on this on the website that was done for Math 22 and it was not specific to statistics. This one is more specific to statistics. I will be doing problem 52 on page 645 of the book. Basically, the steps we're going to go through are enter the data, construct the scatter plot, determine the regression equation. This is the new part that's not in Math 22, determine the correlation coefficient. The data is in the book. I also have here, I'm just going to go ahead and type it in the calculator. To do that, hit your stat button. We've done this many times. Make sure your edit button is highlighted. Select one. In the X field, we're going to put the X column, L1, we're going to put the X values, and L2, we're going to put the Y values. Both values have to be inputted, and they have to be exactly the same size for this to work. So, first thing I'm going to do is clear out L1. Okay, type in the new data. Arrow over to L2 and put the Y column in. Making sure you're accurate. It's easy to make a dumb mistake. Trust me, I've done it many times. When you're done, both columns should line up. That's a checkpoint. They don't, you mistyping something in or type something in incorrectly. To construct the scatter plot, you hit second Y equals, turn your stat plot on. Go into plot 1 again. Make sure it's turned on. And I'm going to select the first entry. Okay, again it says X list L1, Y list L2. If you have an newer version of the calculator, you actually got to go in and change that. 83 does it for you. To see the scatter plot, you hit zoom 9 again. Notice it's not exactly straight line, but they're kind of, in most cases, together a straight line. You have a few outliers, but generally speaking, it's an increasing function. Now, to construct the regression equation, what we do is hit the stat button, arrow over to the calc menu, select 4, or it might be 5 depending on your version of the calculator, linear, L-I-N-R-E-G, which stands for linear regression, and then in parentheses AX plus B, which is the format of the equation. Hit enter twice. Gives me my A and my B value and my Y value. Also notice this gives me R squared and R. Now R squared is the correlation coefficient. To get that, and we did this in class already, so most of you have it turned on, but to get that, you have to turn the diagnostics on. If you don't have R squared and R, okay, to turn the diagnostics on, you hit the catalog button, which is the second 0, and you have to arrow all the way down to find diagnostics on. This is alphabetized. I don't know if you can hit D or not, I didn't try that. I want diagnostic on, hit enter, hit it twice. That turns on the correlation coefficient. Diagnostic off turns it off. So let's go back and relook at that again. Now, what this is telling me, okay, B, this is my A and B, so the equation is 15.89x plus 140.08 rounded. R squared is going to be a value between 0 and 1. The closer it is to 1, the more the correlation association occurs between the two variables. The closer it is to 0, the less the association between the two variables. This one is 0.69, so it's not high correlation, but it's moderately good. Anything below 0.5, it's not good. So this concludes constructing a scatter plot, regression equation, and finding the correlation coefficient with the calculator.